unavoidable splatters. We're trying squid for our Paella Negra, Arroz Negro, or black rice. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Join me here at my small kitchen for some learning and fun. Splatters, we cannot avoid splatters, but it is worth it. Let's clean first. We're cooking today black paella or black rice or paella negra. No matter how you call it, this is easy. There are various versions, but we are cooking the most popular and the tastiest. And with the easiest ingredients, not to mention. Let's start. I have already fried the squid. Our main ingredient for this, plus the rice of course, squid. The ink of the squid makes it black. I'm fortunate to have access to collected ink, squid ink. What else do we need? Very easy, the standard ingredient that we need in most recipes: garlic and onion. Some versions don't use this, but I'd like to add them. They make a big difference in the taste. Paprika powder and parsley, dried parsley. Fresh parsley if you have. I think we can start. And for the toppings, to make it more appealing, Instagrammable later, we'll be topping it with prawns. Some use olive oil, but I'll be reusing the same oil that I use for frying. Why? Because it's really tinted with the squid ink and I want to have that. Not to mention it already has the flavor of the squid. But first, a quick review on how we fried the squids and experience of splatters. This helped a bit, but the splatters are so rare. It was a quick fry. Now we're ready to do the stir fry of the garlic and onion. Let's start. I hope you don't mind the splatters there. That's the purpose of the backsplash. The usual stir fry, which we know. The onions. Can you smell it? Mm-hmm. See, it begins to get the color of the squid infused in the oil and the ginger. Oh, the ginger, the garlic. Again, these two are optionals. The paprika powder easily burns. That's why we have to be quick at this stage. Next, before that burns, I'm adding rice. Stir-fried rice. This is risotto or paella rice. You can use any rice which is on the hard side. Don't use sticky rice. Huwag malagkit if you want to make it as authentic as possible. Tuka. I'd like to say that again, we have various, or there are various recipes out there, but this is the easiest and the standard. We can also add the ink now. Some prefer to add it after the water has been added, but I'd like to add it now. Better. We get a better result. More concentrated. The flavors infused in the oil. If you want to make your paella rice darker, use those. But this will be on the light side. We can add water now. 2 cups of rice, I'll be adding 1.5. So it will be 2 cups of rice, 3 cups of water. And we'll just have to bring it to a boil. Another option, which I'll be doing, I didn't mention about it, is a flavor enhancer. I'll be using chicken powder instead of salt. By the way, we could have included this in this stir fry for more enhanced flavor. Let's add it now. Of course, freshly cracked pepper, and if you want, add flour. I won't be doing it. The parsley is already strong. The parsley already strong enough, I should say. I still don't understand how others cook paella without covering it. They just allow it to boil and dry like this. But I need to cover it. I don't even have a lid, so I'll use this. It's dry now. Okay. We'll add the squid. Some just stop it, but I prefer to mix it with the rice to get most of the flavor of the squid. Maximize the contact with the rice to maximize the flavor. This way, this takes approximately 10 minutes at high flame and then 5 minutes at very, very low flame. Later we'll top the prawns. It's the steam that will be cooking it.
Gusto mo ilapta?
It was another 5 minutes after I turned it off, and I'm sure it's now cooked. Look at that. It's time to serve it. Of course, with some lemon dices. Make it more presentable. Look at that. So, black paella or black rice, Paella Negra. Easy to make and it's really delicious. It's very tempting to eat it now. I'll do it here. I'll do it here. Directly from here, because anyway, this won't be shared to a group. Just me and my cameraman. Very happy. What are you doing, Gawana? It's easy. Thank you for joining me here today, and I hope you were inspired to make this at home. See you in the next video as we grow, cook, and share here on Channel 1.